Brought to you by JEGS.
Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Joel today, and we talk about a new product we just launched. Joel, what do we have here?
What we have is our part number WKT D1843. And this is for the 2011 to 2019 Ford Explorer. And what it includes is going to be the inners, outers, and the complete clip kit. Now Jeff did our development on this part. Jeff, can you tell us a little bit more about the technical aspects of it?
With the inner, we made sure that the flexible edge lays against the glass just like the OEM part. This allows the outer to match up correctly to it. With the outer, we made sure that we matched the high gloss black OEM material. We also added a little bit of thickness to the part to make it a little more robust. In addition to that, we made sure we used the aggressive butyl tape just like the OEM part.
All of these parts can also be purchased individually. And here are those part numbers.
You can get any of these parts at your local auto glass distributor. Thanks for watching.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.